The main selling point of our tire repair tool, besides our design, we also changed the rubber strips material. We are currently composed of pure rubber material. It has the ability to chemically interact effectively with tires and then go to subsidize the wound well. Next, we apply our vulcanizing adhesive. Let this layer of gray activated rubber, chemical reaction with tire wound, and it is because of the rubber material. It is very easy to insert. It is extremely labor saving. Then slowly and carefully pull it out. So our tire repair process is over. We will cut off the excess adhesive tape